Hey there, I'm Sarthak with Teachmore. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Razorpay Payment Gateway in Teachmore. It is an effortless process and takes only few minutes. So let's do it without losing any time. Integrating Razorpay Gateway with Teachmore consists of three simple steps. Step 1 is to create a Razorpay account. Step 2 is to activate the Razorpay account through KYC verification. And step 3 is to connect it with your Teachmore account using API keys and webhooks. I know they sound complex, but you will understand everything in next couple of minutes. And the best part is you need to do this step once and forget about it. So first things first, let's create a Razorpay account. To create a Razorpay account, go to the Razorpay website and click on Sign Up. Enter your email address and a password and click on the Create Account button. After signing up, you have to fill a pre-sign up form. On this form, you have to select your business type, whether it is registered or unregistered. I'm going to select unregistered. Once you have selected the business type, enter your name and contact details and click Next. The next step is to verify your email address via OTP, which will be sent to your email address. And that's how you have successfully completed the first step of Razorpay integration. Now your account has been created and you have the access of test mode on the dashboard. To get the access of live mode and accept payment from the customers, you must activate your account by completing the KYC process. This is the second step of Razorpay integration. To activate your account, go to My Account, then Profile, click on the Fill Activation Form in the Account Activation field. As part of the KYC verification, you need to submit information such as bank details, contact details, business overview, and business details. You also need to upload your Aadhaar and PAN cards. So make sure you have all these with you. So are you ready? Because I'm all set with my material and let's start the KYC verification process. First, you need to review the details in the Contact Info tab. This displays your contact name, contact number, and contact email. Click Save and Next. The next tab is the Business Overview tab. Here, you need to select the appropriate business type, business category, give a brief description of the nature of your business. In this description, you can talk about the courses you are offering, the business category you operate under, your customers, and the channels you primarily use to conduct your business. After entering the business description, the next step is how you wish to accept payments. Select On My Website or App. Enter your Teachmore Academy website or app URL. Click Save and Next. Now you might be thinking, why do you need to enter the website URL? Actually, Razorpay needs to verify the website or app to provide you with the live API keys. Your website should contain terms and conditions, privacy policy, and refund policy. It should also contain about us and contact us with at least one course published with pricing. This is mandatory to generate live mode API keys. The next tab is Business Detail. Here, enter information regarding your business. Enter PAN number, billing label, and address. Click Submit and Verify. After you submit, Razorpay performs an initial KYC review. Upon successful review, two additional tabs will appear on the left menu: Bank Account and Documents Upload. In the Bank Details tab, fill in your bank account details such as beneficiary name, IFSC, and bank account number. This will be the account to which Razorpay settles your funds. In the Documents Verification tab, verify your Aadhaar and upload the PDF copies of the business documents. Submit the form. After completing the KYC form and uploading the required document, select the checkbox on the page if you have read and agree with the terms and conditions and click Submit. Once you submit the form, the Razorpay team will verify the information submitted by you. It takes approximately 3 to 5 business days to complete the review process. So make sure you take this margin while planning your course launch. Razorpay account will be activated upon successful review of the information provided above. Once your account is activated, the last step of the gateway integration process is to generate and connect the API keys and set up webhooks. To make this process convenient, I suggest you open both Razorpay and Teachmore dashboards in two different tabs. First, go to your Razorpay dashboard. Here, the most important step you need to do is switch to the live mode. After switching the live mode on, go to Settings, then go to API Keys. Here, click on Generate Key. This will generate key ID and key secret. Save these on your computer because you have to enter both of them in your Teachmore dashboard. Once you have saved keys ID and key secret, go to the Teachmore dashboard, which you have opened in another tab. Go to Payments in Settings. Click on Manage under the Razorpay tab. On the next page, you will find Production Credentials. Here, enter the key ID and key secret you have saved on your computer. Now, other than API keys, you also need a webhook to integrate the Razorpay payment gateway. To set up a webhook, again go to your Razorpay dashboard. You can see webhooks right beside API keys. Click on webhooks and then add a new webhook. A webhook setup page will pop up. On this page, you have to enter the webhook URL. You will find this webhook URL on your Teachmore dashboard where you have entered API keys. Copy URL from there. Paste it on the webhook setup page. Enter a secret key. Please remember this secret key because you need to enter this key in your Teachmore dashboard as well. Save this key for future use also. In the alert email field, enter the email address to which the notifications should be sent in case of webhook failure. In the active events, select payment failed and order paid. Click on create webhook. After you set a webhook, it appears on the list of webhooks. Once the webhook setup is completed, go to your Teachmore dashboard and enter the same secret key you have entered on the Razorpay dashboard. Click on Save, and that's it. You have successfully integrated your Razorpay payment gateway. I am sure now you can integrate the Razorpay gateway to your Teachmore account. If you still have any queries or you want to integrate other payment gateways, please reach out to our team. Happy teaching!